Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we are going to make another video about Blue Team operations and tools. So we finished Wireshark and now we are going to start with pfSense. Okay, today we are going to install pfSense. pfSense, for those who doesn't know, pfSense is a firewall. It's not a next-gen firewall, but still is a firewall that helps to protect the network. All right, it's a free one. So if you want the paid version, the paid support, you can contact Netgear and then you can get from them. So to download pfSense, we just will enter pfSense download. Okay, and then we'll come to the community. Sorry, to the net. You can contact Netgate, not Netgear, not Gear. So the architecture AMD64 and then DVD. Press download. I already have it installed on my machine. So where is it? Images. Okay, pfSense. Right here. I already have it. Okay. It's going to be downloaded as a GZ, so you can just extract in your favorite folder anywhere you want, in your favorite directory, like in downloads, documents, or if you have a specific folder to that or a specific directory where do you save your images, you can feel free to do that. Okay, so what we are going to do after that is we are going to install pfSense. Okay, so let me open VMware. First, we are going to install as a normal operating system. Let me just clear this one here. Okay, we are going to install just as a normal operating system because it's on FreeBSD. So let's install it. Next. I already selected, but you can navigate to your folder where you extracted the pfSense image and select it, then press next. So pfSense, okay, training. Well, let's go here and VMWare. And then pfSense training. I like to give subjective name. So next, 20 gigabytes, it's okay. And customize hardware. I'm going to use 1 gigabyte, right? And then close it and then finish. So now pfSense is going to finish installing, and in a few seconds or in 1 minute will give us the option to install it. Actually, it's going to start the installation itself. Okay. Okay, so we are here and then just accept and then install it. Continue as default, auto, install, strip, and then okay, and then okay, yes, just enter yes, then it's going to install pfSense. I start coughing, I'm sorry, because I got pneumonia, so I'm just taking care of myself and drinking a lot of water. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Actually, just exit and then reboot. Okay. Let's just wait for now. Okay. It's initializing some services. So here is asking one if VLAN should set now. Just enter no, and then here enter the one interface name or A for auto detection. I will enter the name faster. So just press enter and then Y. Okay, and then it's going to configure one interface. So okay, it's done. Now we have here an IP address, and then we have some options here. I'm going and open 192.168.101.129. Let me see if it's going to. Okay, so here we got pfSense. Alright, the standard pfSense username is admin, and the standard password is pfSense, all lowercase, and then press enter. Okay, and then we got a message: welcome to pfSense. This wizard will provide guidance through the initial configuration. The wizard may be stopped at any time by clicking the logo right here. Okay, and alright, so let's just to next and check here. Netgate support available 24/7. Okay, and then here hostname pfSense. Okay, I'm not going to change that. You can add a DNS servers here. Okay, and here you can add some time. You can choose, right, some time from your country or whatever you want. Okay, so my preferred place is there. Дому, шпинки на kurwa. Kocham cię dużo, Warszawa. Here's the configure one interface. Select DHCP, static, PPPoE, PPTP, that's like a VPN connection, and then MAC address, MTU, right? MSS, and we have like static IP configuration. We are not going to do that for now. Okay, so just next, and then the admin password I'm going to set the same. Okay, and then reload. Alright, then it's going to reload. Okay, here configured. So alright, and then finished. Done, and then finished. So here is some warning about the trademark. Okay, just press agree and then close. And here we have the dashboard. Okay, we have like a pfSense username. Okay, we have few information more like DNS server and last configuration change, memory usage, swap usage, and then we have the one. Also we can install few things here like change the password. No, I don't want. So here we have on the system advanced, certificate manager, general setup, and high availability sync, logout, package manager, register, routing, setup wizard, update user manager, and here we have interface and assignments and one. So the firewall we have alias and net and rules, schedules, traffic shaper, virtual IPs, and then we have services, a lot of them. Okay, VPN we can create. So captive portal, we have a lot of things here. Okay, so for now, if you need a help, of course you have the help option here with some links like about this page, bug database, documentation, FreeBSD handbook, paid support, pfSense book, upgrade to pfSense Plus, user forum, and user survey. Okay, we can add some things like captive portal interfaces, system information, firewall logs, right here, where is it? Here, right here. So we have many options on pfSense. It's a free software, free firewall, but you can have the paid version. We can have paid support. Okay, so that's it for now. Well, if you guys like this video, give me a like. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and help my channel grow, and share with your friends. And well, that's it for now. See you guys on the next video.